Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Vitalis, and on this channel we uncover real, science-backed answers for life after 50. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments. Today we're talking about a natural, powerful remedy for thinning hair: onion juice. Yes, it may sound surprising, but it's been shown to stimulate growth, strengthen your hair, and protect your scalp. All naturally, especially for those of us over 50. Onions are not just a kitchen staple, they're a hair health powerhouse. The secret lies in their high sulfur content. Sulfur is a critical building block of keratin, the main protein that makes up your hair. As we age, our bodies produce less keratin naturally, which can lead to thinning hair and hair breakage. By applying onion juice directly to your scalp, you provide extra sulfur that strengthens hair follicles, supporting thicker, healthier strands. Beyond sulfur, onions contain compounds like quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds help protect the scalp from infections, dandruff, and even minor irritation that can hinder hair growth. Applying onion juice also improves blood circulation in the scalp, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to the follicles, a key factor in stimulating dormant hair. For mature hair, this is particularly important because follicles can weaken over time, slowing growth. When used consistently, onion juice doesn't just prevent further hair loss. It actively supports the conditions your scalp needs to regrow hair, giving you stronger, fuller hair naturally. For anyone over 50, hair challenges can include thinning, dryness, breakage, and even premature graying. Onion juice can address many of these issues naturally. First, it strengthens hair shafts and follicles, reducing breakage and improving overall texture. Second, its sulfur compounds stimulate keratin production, which can thicken fine, fragile strands and make hair more resilient. Third, onion juice encourages better scalp circulation, which helps nourish the follicles and can speed up regrowth. Many users also notice improved shine and luster, giving hair a more youthful appearance. Additionally, onion juice has antimicrobial benefits that can reduce dandruff or scalp irritation, a common problem as the skin ages. Another bonus for older adults is that it may slow premature graying, keeping your natural color vibrant for longer. When combined with gentle care, like using mild shampoo and avoiding harsh chemicals, onion juice can be a safe, affordable, and effective addition to your hair routine. Over a few weeks of consistent use, most people see visible improvement in scalp health, hair thickness, and overall vitality, making it one of the most reliable home remedies for mature hair. The secret behind onion juice lies in its powerful nutrients. Sulfur, abundant in onions, is essential for producing keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. As we age, keratin production slows, which leads to thinning and weaker strands. Sulfur also supports collagen formation, which strengthens the scalp and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth. Studies show that applying onion juice increases nutrient delivery to hair follicles, while improving blood circulation. This combination helps reactivate dormant follicles, reduce breakage, and stimulate growth. In short, onion juice doesn't just coat your hair, it nourishes it from the root for thicker, healthier strands. Applying onion juice is simple, but it's important to do it safely. Start with one fresh red onion. Chop it into small pieces and blend until smooth. Strain the juice using a cheesecloth or fine sieve to remove pulp. Before applying, do a small patch test on your inner arm to check for sensitivity. Once safe, dampen your hair and massage the juice directly into the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice to remove any odor. Repeat this routine twice a week. For added comfort, you can mix the juice with a teaspoon of aloe vera or coconut oil to reduce irritation. To boost results, you can ferment onion juice, enhancing its nutrients and scalp benefits. Start with your prepared onion juice in a clean mason jar. Add a teaspoon of sea salt, a half teaspoon of raw honey, and half cup of water. Cover with a breathable cloth and leave it on your counter for 72 hours. Small bubbles indicate fermentation. This process increases vitamins and makes the juice slightly acidic, which can be therapeutic for the scalp. For extra stimulation, add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil before application. Rosemary oil is proven to improve circulation and follicle activity. Using these enhancements twice a week can supercharge hair growth and scalp health naturally. With consistent use of onion juice, most people notice improvements within 3 to 4 weeks. You may see stronger, shinier hair first, followed by new growth around the scalp. By 6 to 8 weeks, hair density often improves noticeably, especially in areas with thinning strands. Remember, results vary depending on your hair's age, health, and genetics. Patience and regular application are key. Twice a week is ideal. Keep your scalp healthy, maintain good nutrition, and avoid harsh chemicals to maximize these natural results. Onion juice is generally safe, but older adults should take precautions. Always do a patch test to check for irritation or allergy. Avoid contact with eyes, and mix with aloe vera or coconut oil if your scalp is sensitive. Be cautious if taking medications that increase skin sensitivity, such as aspirin. Remember, onion juice stimulates existing hair growth, but cannot cure baldness or severe alopecia. Follow the recommended frequency and watch for any discomfort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Start incorporating onion juice into your hair care routine today to strengthen your hair, stimulate growth, and protect your scalp naturally after 50. Consistency and patience are key, and with regular care, you can regain healthier, fuller hair and feel more confident every day.